there when work, where do you live, what is going on? Whose pen is this? So look at the bold words. So the words in bold is a WH word, and these are used to make questions. So that's why these are. Then go to the next one.
Imperative.
Hey, who is making sound? Mute your mic. Then comes indefinite pronoun. Can you define what is indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronoun কাকে বলে জানো তোমরা? Do you know? Anybody? Okay, here is the definition. Indefinite pronoun.
কোনো বিশেষ
ব্যক্তি বা বস্তুকে না বুঝিয়ে অনির্দিষ্ট ব্যক্তি বা বস্তুকে
Yes,
বুঝালে
yes, indefinite মানে হচ্ছে অনির্দিষ্ট, রাইট রাইট। নির্দিষ্ট করে না বুঝিয়ে অনির্দিষ্টভাবে যদি কোনো পার্সনকে বোঝায়। So these are indefinite pronoun, and indefinite pronoun refers to an indefinite or non-specific person or thing. Indefinite pronouns are, here are the examples: any, anything, some, someone, somebody, something, every, everybody, everything, everyone, nobody, none, one, all, several, some, few, many. So these are the examples of indefinite pronoun. Look at the example in sentence. Everybody loves his country. Anybody can do it if they try. Some are born genius. Somebody has stolen my what? All were drowned. Anybody can play the game easily. One should do one's duty. One of the boys was present. None but the brave deserves the fair. Many are called, but few are chosen. So many and few here, actually few also indefinite pronouns. So the bold letters, bold words, and the sentences are indefinite pronouns. Any of the boy can do it. Any is also, indefinite pronoun. So go to next one. Then come distributive pronoun. Can anybody of you tell me what is distributive pronoun?
যে প্রোনাউন দুই বা ততোধিক ব্যক্তি বা বস্তুর মধ্যে প্রত্যেকে পৃথকভাবে প্রকাশ করে তাকে ডিস্ট্রিবিউটিভ প্রোনাউন বলে।
ওকে, প্রত্যেকে আলাদা আলাদা, অনেকগুলোর সাথে আমরা একটা একটা করে যদি লিঙ্ক করি আলাদা আলাদা করে, সো দিস উইল বি কল্ড ডিস্ট্রিবিউটিভ pronoun. Distributive pronoun is a pronoun which denotes person or thing of group separately. They always become singular and followed by the singular verbs. The distributive pronouns are each, every, either, neither. So these are distributive pronoun. Look at the example. Each of the boys has received the prize. এখানে অনেকগুলো বয়ের ভিতরে আমরা আলাদা করেছি each. So look here, each boy and each girl is rewarded. এখানে if you connect more than one subject like this along with distributive pronoun, so the verb will be singular. This is the rule. এখানে আমরা যদি each দ্বারা অনেকগুলো noun কে কানেক্ট করি, the verb will be singular. This is the idea. Every boy, every girl, and every woman will get 500 taka. either of these roads lead to the railway station. Either, singular. So verb will be singular. Jodio, road of plural. So this is the rules of right form of verbs and subject verb agreement, Either of you can go. Neither of the acquisition is true. Either you or he can follow me here. Neither of them describe the topic very well. So these are distributive pronouns. So keeping in your mind that these are the pronouns used in a sentence as distributive pronoun. Either of the two friends will do. Here, either is also a distributive pronoun, as we told already. There are many people here, neither of them can do it. Okay, so we can go to the next. Then comes reflexive and emphatic or intensive pronoun. You can also call intensive. Yeah. Can you tell me what is reflexive pronoun? Anybody of you? Reflexive.
যখন কোনো
প্রোনাউনের সঙ্গে সেলফ বা সেলফ যুক্ত হয়ে কোনো প্রোনাউনের অবজেক্টের স্থান গ্রহণ করে এবং পশ্চাতে ফিরে পুনরায় সাবজেক্টকে নির্দেশ করে তাকে রিফ্লেক্সিভ প্রোনাউন বলে।
দেখি বই দেখে বলছো? বই দেখে বলেছো? Okay, so you should express your own idea. Okay, বই দেখে বলা দরকার নেই, নিজে যেটা বুঝে সেটাই। Anybody of you? Anybody? আর কেউ? A reflexive pronoun is used as an object, normally object, but it can also be seated just after the subject to give emphasis. This is a different thing. When the subject of a statement and its object are the same person or thing. Subject এবং object যখন একই person হবে, এটাকে যদি রিফ্লেক্স করা হয়, কোনো pronoun যদি subjectকে অথবা objectকে রিফ্লেক্স করে, so that one is known as reflexive. And if it is a pronoun, so this will be reflexive pronoun. These reflexive pronouns always end in self or self. Self in singular, and selves with plurals. Pronouns are called reflexive pronouns when the action of the verb turns back on the subject. যেটা বলেছি যে সাবজেক্টকে যদি এমফাসাইজ করা হয়, অবজেক্টের অ্যাকশনটা যদি সাবজেক্টের উপরে আসে, so that's one is reflexive, reflex করা. The reflexive pronouns are these are okay. Positive case of personal pronoun with self. Personal pronoun এর যে পজিটিভ কেস আছে, পজিটিভ কেসের সাথে যদি আমরা সেলফ অ্যাড করে দিই, so this will be reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun are usually objects of a verb. সবসময় অবজেক্ট হবে বিষয়টা এরকম না, এটা নাউনের পরে বসতে পারে। I'm teaching myself to play the piano. So myself, it's I. Okay. So আমি যখন it give emphasis, so it turn into self. Be careful with that knife, you might cut yourself. She blamed herself for the accident. He killed himself. This is object situation. Self is used here in object situation and reflecting the subject. We finish the job ourselves. When reflexive pronouns are used to put emphasis on particular subject, they are called emphatic or intensive pronoun, and they be seated just after the subject. He himself told me this. That is, if you use the pronoun just after the subject, pronoun with self actually, so these will be called emphatic or intensive pronoun. They themselves admitted their mistake. We ourselves witnessed the accident. So look here. So these pronouns have been seated just after the subject to give more emphasis on the subject. Subject-কে অনেক বেশি জোর দিয়ে যদি বলা হয়, so after this you have to use this reflexive pronoun. So all these pronouns with selves are reflexive pronoun, but based on position, so these are emphatic or intensive pronoun. Are you clear about this? এটা কি বোঝা গেছে? বুঝতে পেরেছো?
জি স্যার।
Okay,
জি স্যার।
we can go to the next one. Rupa herself cut the cake. Okay. Reciprocal pronoun. What is reciprocal pronoun?
যে প্রোনাউন দ্বারা দুই বা ততোধিক ব্যক্তির মধ্যে পারস্পরিক সম্পর্ক বোঝায়।
Relation, yes. Reciprocal. One is depend on other. Okay. একটা আরেকটার সাথে যদি রিলেটেড হয় এবং complementary or supplementary হয়, one depends on other. So if you have that situation and use pronoun, so this will be called reciprocal pronoun. A reciprocal pronoun is a pronoun that indicates a reciprocal relationship. মানে একটা আরেকটার উপর dependent situation. A reciprocal pronoun can be used for one of the participants of a reciprocal constructions. A cluster in which two participants are in a mutual relationship, যেটা আমরা বলেছি mutual, একটা আরেকটার উপর depend করবে. A reciprocal pronoun refers to the relations between two or more person or things. The reciprocal pronouns of English are each other and one another. So these are the two reciprocal pronoun in English. So keep it in your mind. This is very much important. So can you tell me where do you use each other and one another? জানো তোমরা each other কোথায় হয়, one another কোথায় হয়?
দুইজনের
look at-
মধ্যে পারস্পরিক সম্পর্ক বোঝাতে ইজ আদার হয়, আর দুইয়ের
আচ্ছা।
অধিক বোঝাতে ওয়ান অ্যানাদার হয়।
Okay, good, very good. We use reciprocal pronouns when there are two or more person or things doing the same thing with both receiving the benefits or consequences of that action simultaneously. The action must be two or more than two. Understand? দুইজন অথবা দুইয়ের অধিক হতে হবে. Otherwise, you cannot use this pronoun. Look at the example. The two men hate each other. The two men. Okay, here the number is two. Two men. The brothers quarrel with each other. So each other here, that means here the number of brothers are two. They like one another. So they here more than two. Mind it. One another যখন ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে, it is more than two. They talk to each other. এটা মানে হচ্ছে দুইজন. They means হচ্ছে এখানে দুইজন আছে. They asked each other the same questions and the same time. So they here is two. The students perform the group experiment. So এখানে one another, that means the number is more than two. So whenever the relationship shows between two, so you have to use each other, and if the number is more than two, then you use one another. Okay, so that's all about pronoun. And then you have a test. It's an exercise. Correct the incorrect pronoun reference in the following sentences. In the following sentences, you will see some pronouns which are incorrect. Okay, reference, the pronoun used in incorrect reference. So identify the incorrect pronoun and then correct it. So try to do this. Identify the incorrect one and then write down the correct pronoun that you have to write it down. So far you have understood the pronoun we talked about throughout our classes. নাকি বুঝা গেছে? এই সেন্টেন্স গুলোতে কিছু প্রোনাউন আছে wrong. Look at the first one. Alice was not a bit hurt and he jumped up onto her feet in a movement. Can you identify any wrong pronoun used here in this sentence? First one. এখানে কোনো প্রোনাউন ভুল প্রোনাউন আছে, এটা কি ক্যান ইউ আইডেন্টিফাই? এনিবডি অফ ইউ? Are you here?